Welcome. Today is day one of this channel. Before I started this channel, I noticed something. We all never hate learning, but we hate how things are explained to us, how complex ideas are explained to us. And that's why I created this channel. So this channel here is going to help you understand complex ideas in a simple way, using everyday tools, everyday objects, tools like a bottle, spoon, cup, bowl, and anything you see to explain ideas from medicine, finance, economics, mathematics, and please, this channel here is an edutainment channel. I mean education and entertainment combined here. So we are going to have fun. We are not going to do any straight lectures here or teachings. Yeah. So if you love learning the way I love it, not the way we do it in the classroom, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe for our first video. I am ProfABC, where complex ideas become simple. Stay awesome. Like and sub. Sorry, like and subscribe. Yeah, that's how the channel is going to be. Bye.